Shelley from Frugal Family Home, where we make quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I have a delicious soup for you to make. It's frugal, about 50 cents a serving, and so easy to make. You can make it on the stovetop or in the crock pot. Either way, it turns out so delicious, just like your grandma or my grandma used to make. So let's get started, and I'll show you how easy it is to make this homemade vegetable soup. You'll never want to buy soup in a can again. To get started, we'll chop the vegetables. We'll add our oil to the pan. First, we'll add our onions to the pot. Then we'll add our carrots and the celery. And we'll just give it a stir and let it cook until the vegetables are softened. Now that our vegetables are lightly cooked, we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add our bay leaf. We're going to add the salt, the pepper, parsley, and thyme, as well as our garlic. And we're just going to stir and cook that just for a couple of minutes until it gets fragrant, and then we'll add the rest of our vegetables. Now that our vegetables are softened and the seasoning is smelling really good, let's go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add our vegetable broth and our tomatoes. And be sure to use all the liquid in the diced tomatoes. I'm using canned, but you can use fresh. And we're going to add our frozen green beans. Now, normally I would wait to add the frozen vegetables to the end, but green beans hold up really well in the cooking time, and so I put it in now. But I keep the more delicate vegetables, frozen vegetables, like peas and corn, to add at the end. And the last item we need to add is our potatoes. We're going to give everything a little stir, and then put the lid on and bring it to a boil. Now that it's boiling, we're going to turn it down and let it simmer for 25 minutes. Now that our soup has simmered for 25 minutes, we're going to add our frozen peas and corn. And we're just going to stir those peas and corn in. And then we're just going to go ahead and let it simmer about 5 minutes, and then our homemade vegetable soup will be ready. Okay, our soup is done, and I gotta tell you, it smells so good. And all we need to do is take out our bay leaf and get rid of that, and then we're ready to serve it. And that's it. That's how simple and easy it is to make homemade vegetable soup. And if you'd like the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.